Good morning, folks. Wanted to do a quick silver update. Looks like we are going to finish the year in new highs. Got a couple trading days left, but market looks really strong. As you can see, we're making a run on new highs here. Um, yeah, it's really trying to break out right now. We're looking at the old high, roughly 30.69. We got to get to 30.70. I think if we do get through there, we're really going to take off. Um, if you look at the MACD down in here, you can see that it's turned up and it's got a long way to run. We can actually draw some lines on the MACD, and that might show us something. So you can see we have this slope here. We should at least get through that before we correct. We should at least reach this line before we correct. And so if we match that up with a trend lines going here, let's bring out of the rise here. And I guess we'll just call this a pennant the way it is, but it looks like we're really going through it. So yeah, it looks like we're going higher. And I think this one could run to 31 or 32 really fast. It's really strong. So it's not really that hard of a game. Once you know the fundamentals, it's pretty easy to just buy and hold, buy the dips. The last time I bought was back at 25. See if I can pull that up here. That's too far out. I bought right in here. Basically waited for it to come back and meet this line after it ran all the way here. And just buy it. If you look at the slope of this line, you can actually calculate it. It's not that difficult to calculate it. There's a new uptrend with a sharper slope, basically, that's going on. And you see that in markets that are going parabolic, but I think this is going to be a parabolic type breakout so that it won't look parabolic on the charts once it's broken. You can see that in some of the .com stocks. If you look at historical charts, what seemed parabolic at the time actually was just a pure breakout into a new territory. But anyway, this trend line here, all you have to do to calculate its slope is just, for example, look at the monthly. So let's say we started here at 23 and the 23rd of August, and we're talking about, this is just going to be a rough estimate, 18. So let's go about to the 23rd in September. You're talking 21. Do another one here. Let's go to where it's at the line. So here's the 1st of November, and we're at 23. Let's head over to the 1st of December, somewhere in here. We're at roughly 26. So you're talking $3. This thing's moving $3 a month now. That's the speed of this slope. It's about $3 a month. So, but anyway, when you know the fundamentals, it's not that difficult. You just buy the dips, and if you can't get the dips, sometimes you have to. I've bought in breakouts in this market before. I bought a breakout. I bought this breakout right here. I had been buying before that, but when I saw it break above the old, the old Buffett high back in here, I bought. I've also bought dips. I bought this dip. So you can buy the dip. That's the thing about when you've got a market that's as fundamentally strong as this one. It's really not that hard to pick a spot to buy because it's just going up. It's going a lot higher. It's going a lot higher. So that's silver. I think we're going to get a new high today. Wanted to pull up the percentages real quick on the Forex. You can see here. on the quote list of NetDania, they give the percentage returns for the year. And just a second here. It's actually a 52 week, but if you scroll over, you can see here silver for the year is up 81.77% right now. You see gold's at 28.82 and crude's up 15%. There's not even a, you would expect to see people screaming and yelling and running down the street talking about silver. Just absolutely going crazy. You'd think you would have a silver channel on TV, but you don't. You don't have anything, and so it's just starting. It's not anywhere near close to a bubble. The figure I'm always quoting is 20% of Americans owned precious metals back in 1979, the last interim top, and currently it's 0.2%. That's a 100-fold factor. So if we went just by that, I would expect to see a 100-fold move in this price. 3,000 an ounce for silver, something like that. So yeah, it's pretty easy to buy when you know it's going up. And this is just the technicals. I haven't talked about the fundamentals, which are just absolutely ridiculous. So looks like it's going to be a good year. We're above 80% for this year. We're probably going to do another 80 or more next year. So just keep stacking.